Yes, welcome back, family. Hope you know how it's important to walk alone, to walk in the part of whereby there are no people, whereby it's just almost only you walking there. So you have to find out that is really what it is. You have to walk alone to free your mind, to let go of those burden that you have been keeping inside of you. You have to look for time. Just stroll without your phones with you if it's possible. And you just start to free your mind, no? Start to free all your burdens and clear your mind. That is actually the message. Clear your mind with this. So hope this message will reach you well. And yes, that is it. And there's more before I go. I have to know that life is once. This our physical body will go through only one experience. Our physical body will go only through one life experience. So let us try to have as much experience as we can. Don't let anybody try to make you to work yourself up doing what you don't like. Just you know that you are here to have fun, because the most important thing in life is the amount of fun that you have made, that you have gotten in life. That's what matters most. So that's what I'm here to tell you, family. Walk in a park. This is a park in Italy. Walk in a park alone like this. So I didn't know that I would walk alone. I didn't know that I would even walk this path. I thought that I would have to go and do some fun. I don't have fun in different places than this. But here I am. Here I am in a park walking. I'm trying to figure out where I will come out through. So that is very important. There's no bad thing for you walking alone. You trying to free your mind. You trying to make contact with your real self. That is it. That is it, family. Enjoy the park. Just look at the straight road, the narrow road. This is just like you walking through your fears. You becoming in control of your fears. You don't need to be you don't need to be afraid when you are alone. That is it. That is the message of this message of today. So sometimes you have to walk alone. Don't be afraid. Just go through your path in life without any burden that what might happen. Just walk through life. What happens, happen. So that is it, family. Enjoy the view as I walk past this place. If it's shaky, if the video is shaky, I'm sorry for that, because this is a stony path. There's stone on the floor, as you can see it. Hope you enjoy that. Peace. The good life.